Is it the right time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will be delving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It is essential not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified VOO as a promising investment, giving it a score of 4.22. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Investors who followed our analysis would have witnessed an impressive gain of 15.28% since we first recommended VOO as a buy candidate 68 days ago. This translates to an average daily return of 0.22% since it was listed as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund, ETF, is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the ETF breaks above the top trend line at $461.35, it would indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 10.78% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 7.62% and 11%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 18.84% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 2.82% and 18.96%. This translates to a price range of $473.44 to $547.75 after a year. Our latest update for VOO brings exciting news. The VOO ETF has been upgraded from hold/accumulate to a buy candidate after Monday's trading session. On Monday, February 12, 2024, the VOO ETF price experienced a slight dip of -0.0326%, decreasing from $460.61 to $460.46. Throughout the day, the ETF's value fluctuated by 0.643%, starting at a low of $459.79 and reaching a high of $462.74. Looking at the recent trend, the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen an overall increase of 1.99% over the past 2 weeks. However, it's important to note that despite the increase in volume by 686,000 shares, the share prices have fallen. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $2.09 billion worth of VOO ETF shares were bought and sold, with a total of 5 million shares being traded. Over the past 52 weeks, the VOO ETF has seen its highest price reach $462.74, while its lowest price was $349.76. Currently, the price stands at 0.49% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $2.28. It's worth mentioning that the current price of $460.46 is not only close to the 52-week high but also the all-time high for the ETF. Here are the signals identified for VOO. The VOO ETF shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, further confirming a buy signal. In case of any downward corrections, there is support at $456.79 and $443.04. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. Furthermore, a buy signal has been identified from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. It's worth noting that there have been some negative signals as well, which may impact the stock's short-term development. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.0326% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, indicating a potential warning sign that should be closely monitored. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently indicating a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it generated a buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, it provided a sell signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, it gave a buy signal 64 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 53 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for VOO. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level at $434.01 and $433.78, based on accumulated volume. It's important to note that there is a natural risk when an ETF tests a support level. If this support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In the case of VOO, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $433.78 and $432.34. It's worth mentioning that VOO tends to have very controlled movements and offers good liquidity, making the risk considered very low in this stock. Looking at the recent data, the ETF moved $2.95 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to 0.643% of its value. Over the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 0.528%. Today, we will explore potential day trading levels for VOO. If the market is showing an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO stands at $460.61. If you currently don't own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the other hand, if VOO experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $434.01. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this ETF is set at $448.62, which represents a decrease of 2.57%. This ETF demonstrates low daily movements, resulting in lower risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we have found several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, indicating that there may be a buying opportunity for VOO ETF. In fact, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion from a hold/accumulate rating to a buy candidate. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of VOO ETF and determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Tuesday, February 13th, we anticipate that VOO will open up $0.535 and start trading at $461. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us is not a basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please feel free to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also interested to know your target for the ETF. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day overall. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.